Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Jozzy here. So I'm sharing this video with you guys. There is railway station at where I lived or where I stay. I'm sharing this video with you guys because the Ghana government want to or is building the same thing, or that is their dream railway lines that they want to build, that they want to turn Ghana into Europe. And some people have cut the some people have cut the railway lines that they are building in Ghana, the newly constructed railway lines. And this is that track over there. They cut those lines, railway lines, and they were caught, which they were heading to Tama or something like that. They asked the drivers and they said somebody told them to go and pick them or go and cut these railway lines that the government of Ghana is building or has built. They have constructed the railway lines, and some people have cut the lines. I don't know the time or when they did all these things. It was about 3 tracks or so. So this is the railway lines, and this is the guys over there, and that is the track that they caught them using when they were heading to Tema Harbor. I don't know whether they are going to import the metals. I don't know what they are going to do with it. This is the mindset of black people. I'm sharing this video because they started like how Africa we have started. They did not just build Rome. Rome was built gradually. They just built they also started like us, building it gradually. People use their blood, people use their strength to build these railway lines. And the government of Ghana is trying possible means to build Ghana, or to make Ghana a better place, or at least for us to see that they are doing something. And people are saying that no, what this government is doing, we are also destroying it. So the railway lines that is being constructed, so when they left there, some people also go and cut and use. I don't know whether they are going to sell it, they are going to use it to do different things or so. I don't know. So this is the railway lines, and it's just like a possible transportation, a possible means of transport, very fast, affordable, safe. From where I am to where I'm going, it's just about 45 minutes to where I'm going, but it's very safe and affordable too. And the government of Ghana want to use the same thing, because transportation in Ghana is very poor and is very bad. Some of the distance from one end to the other is so bad, to the extent that you spend hours before going to where you want to go. From my hometown to Accra, it's just about 7 hours. If we were to have good railway lines, it won't even take up to 3 hours, then you get to where you are going. But the government is trying all means to make things easier for us. But some people are also trying to destroy the good things that the government is doing. So this is just like a dream railway lines, or a train station, or a train lines that the government of Ghana want to build, but people are cutting the dream short by stealing the metals, stealing the metals where the train will pass. So who are we doing? Are we doing the government, or we are doing ourselves? Yeah, we are doing ourselves, because these people, before they will leave power, they have already enriched themselves. So the little things that they will do for us, and we cannot keep them, or we cannot let them do it for us, then we will be at where we are. Because these people, they started somewhere. If every government to come will be like, I want to build maybe 50 kilometers train lines or 100 kilometers train lines, and every government that comes to power continue, I think by 10 years, by 20 years or 30 years to come, we will have affordable transportation. But no, people will steal the things that they are using. People will steal it. So sometimes when you watch news from Ghana, it's something else, because people have bad mindsets. As Kennedy Upon said, Ghanaians, most Ghanaians are born. He said most Ghanaians are naturally born bad. Yeah, they are naturally born bad. They will just destroy you. Even some who have companies, they will just collapse your company if you are not careful. They will try possible means to destroy the good things that you are doing. So let's help the government to build a better government, or a better system for us. We are also part of the government. Let's help them. What they are doing, we should protect what they have done, because even most of the things that they are doing, it doesn't even last long. Just today, I watched a road that was constructed not even 2 years ago. Heavy rain has washed the road away. So you see, the thing was not done well. So rain was able to wash it away, and the ones that rain could not wash it to, people will use possible means to destroy it. Let's be a good patriotic. Let's be a good citizenship. A good citizen. Hey, rather brofo. So guys, this is my province, the railway lines that we have, that is inside the train. We are going outside of the train. So I just shared this video with you. I wish we could have something like this in Ghana. I wish we have a nice train station like this in Ghana. I wish we have even about 5 of these trains in Ghana. Like life and things will be affordable as well, because it can carry the foodstuff from the urban areas to the town, and foodstuffs will be cheaper. Let's pray. We pray that things get better. We pray that we have a very good people to lead us. We pray for our motherland. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. And this is Brescia train station. I hope and wish one day we get a train station like this in Ghana. Bye bye. See you on my next video. Bye.